How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the 4th generation AirPods, and these are the base variation of the AirPods, not the ones with the noise cancellation or the wireless charging. They're just the standard USB-C ones, and personally I like it because it's USB-C and I don't care about the noise cancellation because I want to hear when I have them on. So let's go ahead and unbox them. So right off the bat, you can see no plastic wrapping around them. They've just got the box itself and then 2 pull tabs. So we'll go ahead and pull both of those pull tabs out. And then we'll just open this box right here. All these boxes always kind of nicely shut. So designed by Apple in California, pretty standard right there that you see. And then let's go ahead and pop that out. And have we got the stickers? No stickers. And we've got the AirPods themselves. So nicely wrapped in this material here. And then we'll go ahead and take that off. We'll take this tab right off right here. Come on. All right, just rip it right off. There we go. Take that out. And there's the AirPods case itself and the USB-C. So finally USB-C in the AirPods case. Otherwise, they feel and look kind of very similar to the previous generation AirPods case of the AirPods. Let's go ahead and connect them directly to my phone. Very easy to do, and we'll get a first look at the AirPods themselves. So you just flip open that case and you can see the light starts to blink, and then we look at my phone and immediately it recognizes them, and then you just hit connect and it goes connecting, and boom, just like that. They're connected, done. So simple. And then it gives you a little bit of controls on media and call controls, which you can play around with. Personalize the volume, we'll just leave it all right now. Use Siri, of course, and we'll set up everything else later. AirPods, moving your head. Control AirPods using your head. That's actually kind of a cool new feature. Not right now. We'll leave it right now, and we'll hit done. So that's it. They're already all connected. Very simple, easy setup process. Let's actually have a look at the AirPods themselves for the first time. We pull them right out. And first thing I noticed, the stem is maybe slightly shorter than the previous generation, but otherwise, the look and feel is very similar. Very nice. I know the sound quality on these ones is going to be much better than the previous ones, but that's it. That's your fairly easy unboxing and setup of the brand new AirPods 4th generation with USB-C.